Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and healthy. Today I'm here back with another recipe. Today I'm making spaghetti with meatballs. This is like mostly Western culture, but I have added desi tadka to it. Let's see how it goes. Firstly, I've taken minced meat and I have chopped some bread into small cubes, and now I'll add them in the minced meat, and then I'll crack an egg and add in this. First I'll mix all of these thoroughly. So after mixing all the ingredients, I'm going to add garam masala powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, black pepper, red chili flakes and salt. And I'm also going to add some oil and mix them nicely. Then I'm going to make balls like this, and we just have to fry them until they are nicely brown color. Now let's boil this spaghetti. I think everyone knows how to boil spaghetti. We just need to add some drops of oil and salt, and then as instructed in the packet, you just have to put spaghetti for like 10 to 15 minutes or until they are cooked. So now let's prepare our main ingredient, the sauce. For that I have added some oil, and then now I'm frying onions. Nice golden brown color. Then I'm adding tomatoes. I have taken 2 tomatoes like medium size, and I'm adding ginger garlic paste. I have also added some garlic cubes. Now I'm adding hot chili sauce, tomato paste, pasta sauce also, chili and garlic sauce, another type of pasta sauce. I've added some ketchup, and now I'm adding water, salt, black pepper and chili flakes. After mixing everything, cook it for 15 minutes at least, and also add oregano and check the consistency how you want to. Usually it's thick. Now you can add, after 15 minutes you can add these meatballs, and then again cook it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and our sauce is ready. Now final step, you just have to pour spaghetti into meatball sauce and mix it well. Your spaghetti meatballs is ready to serve. I hope you guys like this recipe. This is super easy. Do try and let me know. Thank you for watching.